Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a wrapping paper cutter. It is genius. You get a pack of 2. This is what they look like. And the idea is you have this large roll of wrapping paper. You're going to pop this on, slide it across, and it is going to cut your wrapping paper. This is super easy to hold because you have the grooves on each side. And as you can see here, this sort of has this curved in effect so that it holds your wrapping paper a little better. On the bottom, you have a blade on both sides, and it's sort of like a sled. It's like flat on the bottom so you can slide across your paper. So I'm going to turn the camera and let's take a look close up at how amazing this is. Okay, what a handy tool. You have several ways to use this. I'm going to show you a few of them. So basically, you just open your wrapping paper, and then option 1 is my favorite. You slide this onto the tube, and then you feed the paper through. It serves to both keep the paper on the roll so you don't lose control of it, and then to cut across the paper. Look at that, smooth as silk. You can use it right on the wrapping paper to cut a piece off. And I also love that you can use both blades and make long strips of paper as well. This is just awesome. It makes straight cuts. It's so much faster than using scissors. And it is just really easy to hold. I love that it holds your roll of wrapping paper. This is just such a clever tool for all of your wrapping needs. This is a winner. Check it out and get one for your friend as well. Highly recommend.